Hi, this is Natalie from the Career and Transfer Center, and this video will show you how to use the college search feature within Focus 2. Focus 2 is a career planning and research tool available to all Citrus students for free. It includes career assessments, as well as some really great research options, including the college search. If you don't have a Focus 2 account yet, you can set one up for free by going to the Citrus College homepage, selecting Current Students, Career Transfer Services, Career, Explore Majors. This page includes all the links you need to set up your account, including our access code Fighting Owl, and a video that walks you through the process. Click on the college search bar and you will find that Focus 2 provides 6 different search features to search college programs throughout the country. You can start with type and go to degree level. For this example, I'll choose bachelor's. You can choose whether you'd like a traditional or fully online college, a public or private institution, or if there's a religious affiliation that you'd specifically like to search for. For this example, I'm going to leave it to bachelor's degree and hit apply. Then you can search by major. If you've done some prior work in Focus 2, you might have some saved majors, or you can search by subject. I'm going to use the example of an advertising major. A lot of schools have a business with an advertising focus, but not an advertising major by itself. So I'm going to go ahead and try to see what schools across the country might have that and hit apply. Then I can go to location. So far I've got every college in the country with an advertising major. If I want to narrow that down, I can choose a setting, city, suburb, town, or rural. A region, I'm going to choose West Coast, and then I can narrow it down more by state. I'm going to leave it open to the West Coast. And now I can see all the colleges that offer this major. If I want to learn more about the school, I can click on the name, and Focus 2 will provide me some basic facts about the college, and then I can save it to my profile to come back and research it more later. I can also add more search functions with affordability that includes the annual cost. I always encourage students to leave that open because it does not take into account financial aid or if you're an in-state student. And also college size. So I can search by really large institutions to really small institutions. I can search by admission rate. And lastly, I can search by athletic teams or activities. Keep in mind, you can also search for associate degree, certificate, and graduate level programs as well. The Career Transfer Center encourages you to schedule an appointment to meet with a counselor to discuss any of your questions about your major or career path. You can do so by clicking Meet with a Counselor and use the online scheduling system, or you can also call us directly at the number here. We hope to see you in the Career Transfer Center soon.